Hello everyone and welcome to another one of my model collection videos. In this video I'll be covering the 400 scale 787s, 777s, 767s and the 757s, and I'm going to start off with this Avianca example. So this is a very nice Avianca Dreamliner. There we go. Another Dreamliner from Air India. Look at those nice bendy wings. And the last of my Dreamliners comes from Aero Mexico. Moving on now to the 777s, and I'll start off with a Pakistan International, a PIA 777. Next up, I'll grab the Delta. So we have a Delta triple, in a nice tail. Let's do a freighter, Etihad Crystal Cargo. So 777 freighter, A6 DDA. Very nice. Moving on to a Korean Airlines 777, which is in a special livery, as you can see, in a bid to secure the organizing of the Pyongyang 2018 Winter Olympics. Beautiful aircraft. Air China next. A very nice red swirly livery. Egyptair 777. Move on to a special livery Turkish Airlines triple. As you can see, it has a Barcelona football tip on the side. Very nice livery and very nice aircraft. Moving on to another triple, this time an Aeroflot. Very nice engines and tail. Triple seven from FedEx, Panda livery. Moving on to the 767s, we'll start off with the Land Chile. Moving on to Varig Brazil, 767. Next one up, a special scheme ANA, nice whale livery, quite colourful. Erdo, so Hokkaido International 767. Moving on to a Delta 76. Ethiopian 767. Sharko 767 from Aerosol. Nice shark livery. A British Airways Special Tail 767. And the last one in the 767 series, an Avianca. Again, a nice special design on the nose. Moving on to the 757s, of which I've only got two, both of them America West. One's in the Phoenix Suns livery, and the other one in the Battleborn Nevada. Very nice game. And that's it from this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.